Is your refrigerator ice maker not storing ice properly, overflowing, or getting stuck? A damaged or worn-out ice case assembly could be the problem. The good news is, replacing it is a simple repair that can restore proper ice storage and performance. Welcome back to HnK Parts. In this video, we'll walk you through how to replace a refrigerator ice case assembly safely and correctly. Over time, constant exposure to freezing temperatures can make the plastic brittle and prone to cracking. Ice clumps can also put pressure on the dispenser, causing mounting clips to break. In some cases, moisture can lead to frost buildup that freezes the case shut, and forcing it open may damage the tracks, requiring a full replacement. Before starting, always make sure to disconnect the power to the refrigerator. This helps prevent any electrical hazards during the repair. Next, open the freezer compartment and locate the ice maker assembly. Carefully remove the ice bucket or bin to access the ice case. Once you have clear access, check how the ice case is secured. Some units simply slide out, while others may have clips or guides holding them in place. Gently pull the ice case assembly forward. Avoid forcing it, as this can damage surrounding components. Before installing the new part, inspect the area for any ice buildup or debris. Clean the space if needed to ensure a proper fit. Now, align the new ice case assembly with the guides or mounting points. Slide it into place until it sits securely and evenly. Make sure everything is properly aligned, and no obstruction could affect ice movement. Once installed, return the ice bin to its position and close the freezer door. Reconnect power to the refrigerator and allow some time for the ice maker to cycle. Check to make sure ice is being stored correctly, and the unit is operating smoothly. Replacing the ice case assembly is a quick and effective way to fix common ice storage issues and improve performance. Visit hnkparts.com for high-quality appliance replacement parts and repair solutions. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on social media for more helpful repair tips. Thanks for watching.